y'all, it's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see, I have a new intro. I made this intro myself. I didn't have the coins to pay somebody to make one, but before this year is over, that's one of my resolutions that I got. Well, not resolutions, but goals I have on this list is to pay somebody to make me a nice intro. But as of right now, it is what it is. You got what you got, and that's it. So as you can tell by the title, today I will be going over my New Year resolutions or goals or whatever you want to call it. So I just kind of went through and like jotted down a few things. Gotta get comfortable. So I just went through and jotted down a few things, and I just wanted to kind of put it on camera so that like a year from now, I can look back at this video and say I accomplished this, I accomplished that, I didn't do that, but we're gonna do it again. I mean, not again, but we're gonna do that the next year, and so on and so on. So I'm just gonna go through and tell y'all a few things that I want to accomplish. Of course, I'm not gonna say everything because like I have a lot of things that I want to accomplish in 2020, but I will save that for myself. And I'm only gonna tell y'all the like social media kind of goals that I have. Like basically, I'm not telling y'all like my career or education goals. And I'm sorry if y'all can hear that. That's my dryer. I'm drying my clothes because I go back to school tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, I'm just telling y'all like my social or like social media goals. So let's get into it. So the first thing I have on my list is to eat better. Basically, I want to live a healthier lifestyle this year. So I'm going to eat better. No more beef, no more pork, no more like fat foods, no more chips, no more snacks. Like I'm trying to do better and eat better, and I can't go to the gym and work off all of this weight but then go in the kitchen and then eat it all right back. So I'm gonna try to eat better this year. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be 100% better, but it'll be better than what it is right now. I also have to go to the gym consistently. I have a tendency of going to the gym consistently for like a month, and then I have like a one-off week, and then I don't go back for like a month, and then I go back again for like 2 months, and then I stop. So we're trying to stop that. We're trying to be consistent. And basically, I blame Amber because Amber was my workout partner for the longest, like the entire summer. Me and Amber was on it. But when we got back to school, Amber wanted to go to the gym without me. So then I started slacking. She started slacking. We all started slacking. So I blame Amber. But no, for real, we're going to do better. We decided that we're going to be partners again this year. So we're going to keep each other accountable, hold each other accountable. So we're going to get this body snatched by spring break. And that's on period. Okay, so as far as my YouTube, let's get into the actual channels and pages and all of that. So of course my goal is to constantly increase and improve my social media platform. I basically want to make my name more known than what it is. Like I want to be walking down the street and somebody be like, aren't you Deja? Don't you know YouTube channel? Like, yeah girl, I do. But no, for real. So for YouTube, okay, I made this like a week or two ago, and I didn't realize how fast my subscribers will be going. Like I literally got 500 subscribers in like literally 3 days, maybe literally 3 days. My goal is to get at least 5,000 subscribers. If that's too little, I say 10,000 subscribers, but we will see. So overall, I just want to grow my channel some more. And then on Instagram, I just want to basically like grow my platform more. So like I have 10.2K followers on Instagram right now, and I have been sitting at 10.2K followers for like literally 2-3 months. So I'm gonna try to rebrand myself, like make sure that I'm posting the best quality pictures. Like I'm just trying to basically make sure that I grow my Instagram more. So my goal for followers on Instagram is 13K followers by the end of the year. So that's, what's that, 3,000? Is that 3,000? 3,000. That was a dumb moment. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I want to grow by basically 3,000. It's like 2.8K or whatever, but we're gonna say 3,000 followers before the end of the year. I also want to get into doing more promotions, and I also want to work on my engagement. So this is like literally the best news I got since the year has started. I am officially a campus girlfriend with Impressions of Beauty on Instagram. Y'all make sure y'all go follow them on Instagram. But I applied to be a campus girlfriend maybe like the last 2 weeks in December, and I basically finally got a call saying that I made it. I want to say, was it before Christmas or after Christmas? I don't know, but just know that your girl is finally, well, not finally, your girl is officially a campus girlfriend. Y'all check me out. So before I even, they just added me to the group chat. Oh my God, I'm officially, y'all. I'm officially a campus girlfriend. Pooh. They just added me to the group chat. Okay, I'm gonna hurry in this video so I can talk to them in the group chat. What was I saying? Oh, so like before I started reading, anyway, my social media platforms are kind of improving already, because I don't know if y'all know Lex's hair, but I'm gonna put her like name on this screen somewhere. Lex's hair has literally like taken me under her wing and literally basically has been like a mentor to me when it comes to like my social media. She's been helping me like grow my platform. She's been telling me this, telling me that, giving me advice on like pretty much everything when it comes to social media, because she's been an influencer longer than me, so of course she knows more than I do. So she's been kind of basically putting me up on game. And y'all, if it wasn't for her, I mean, of course I'm pretty sure my platforms would be growing, but they wouldn't be growing as fast as they are if it wasn't for Lexus. So thank you, sis. Much love. I don't know if you're watching this, but if you are, much love. But no, for real, I really appreciate her. She took me and like a couple other girls, and we just been like talking to each other, you know, building each other up, giving each other advice, you know, keeping each other accountable and things like that. So if it wasn't for you, sis, I wouldn't be where I am today. And that's on period. The next thing that I want to do in 2020 is to, I was thinking about it, I want to maybe start a vlog channel. I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of my main channel, and I feel like I can handle a vlog channel, but I don't want to put too much on my plate, and then it's like, Deja, you not being consistent with either one, like you got to get it together. So I'm thinking about doing a vlog channel. I feel like my life is not that interesting, but if y'all want to see my life and what I do on a daily basis, I mean, I wouldn't post a vlog every day, but if y'all want to see what I do on a daily basis, I mean, I can do that for y'all. I think I'm thinking about it. I'm just thinking about it. That's just a thought. Along with that, I do want to work on my natural hair more. Like, I finally got my hair to like a healthy state. I got all of like the thin parts of my hair cut off. Oh, y'all don't know, I cut my hair like 3 times. Like, cut, not trim. I didn't trim it, I cut it. Like, every time it grows out, I cut it back to the top of my shoulders, just because my hair was so unhealthy. It was so thin in certain places, and it just was not it. So I finally got my hair to a healthy state. So now I'm just about to start working on length retention. So I want to focus on that this year too, kind of making sure that I'm deep conditioning a lot, making sure I'm co-washing, not shampooing too much, not putting too much tension on my hair, not playing it too much. I just want to get me some nice length retention, because if my hair was like this is beautiful, you know? I mean, of course, it's not my curl pattern, so of course it won't look like this, but still, that's one of the goals that I have, is to work on my natural hair some more. Another thing I want to do is to get more into like my fashion sense. So like with me becoming like more, I don't want to say more popular, like, I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, but like with me basically like deciding that I wanted to become an influencer, like it's come with like a lot of like mind changing things, if that makes sense. So like I'm more focused on like what I wear, what I look like when I leave the house, the pictures that I post on Instagram, things like that. So I've really gotten into fashion. I don't know why, I don't know how, why, whatever, because usually I'm the type of girl, I put on some leggings and a t-shirt and I'm walking out the house. I really don't even care. But I want to say ever since I went to New York, like shopping for New York was so much fun. Like I got to get so many new things, and the outfits that I put together was bomb. I really think I got into purses first, and that's what kind of inspired me to get into like the whole fashion sense or whatever. So I plan on working on my fashion, cleaning out my closet, putting in brand new stuff, and yeah, so we're gonna work on that. And the last 2 things I have kind of tying together. So I really want to get much more better. That don't sound right. I want to get better with photography. So if y'all don't know, now you know. I take my own pictures. Like I put my camera up on the tripod, and I got like a little thing on my phone where I could just click the thingy and then take the picture for me. So I kind of want to get better with like modeling, I guess. Like I want to do more photo shoots with like an actual photographer, but I'm just so awkward. Like when people are looking at me when I'm taking pictures, it just be feeling so weird. Like even if I ask my friends to take my pictures, it be so weird, because it's just like, I don't know, like y'all know how it is. It'd be weird when folks take your picture, or people looking at you when you're taking pictures. But I'm kind of getting better with it, like kind of really not caring what people think, because your girl cute regardless, okay? But no, Yeah, I kind of want to get better with modeling because me and my twin, it's not really my twin, but she my twin, she kind of is like the same. Like, she likes taking pictures and things like that. Like, people take her pictures all the time, so we want to do a photo shoot together, but I have to hold up my end. Like, she can't be slinging and then I'm looking awkward and stuff, so I'm gonna work on my posing and all that type of stuff. I feel like my go-to is just to smile, because every time I smile and take a picture, it always look cute. But when I be trying to do like them little faces and stuff, sometimes I be looking retarded, but sometimes I be looking cute. So we're just gonna work on that all together. And the last thing I have is to take more headshots. So like, with me applying to like all these different programs and talking to influencers, and I mean not influencers, brands and all that, they asking for headshots, and literally I don't have any. Like, I take my own pictures, like I said, so like I have some like here and up, and yeah, they're technically headshots, but I want like some like natural looking, like no makeup, like flawless headshots. So that's what I'm going to be working on this year. So I'll comment down below with some of y'all New Year's resolutions and goals and things like that. I'm also graduating this year, y'all. 2020 May, your girl is out of college. So I really have a busy semester, like with me doing my internship, me graduating from college, me being a part of this new program, the Impressions of Beauty program, Delta as it is. I'm shadowing more because I have to get ready for PA school. I have a lot going on this semester, so I made my plan. I'm trying to be really consistent. I went ahead and like laid out all of the video ideas that I want to do for this year. Well, not this year, but like the first 3 months of the year. I laid out like every single video idea that I have that I want to do. Like, I got everything down. So it's all coming down to me filming and just editing and having them up there. So, oh, I want to also tell y'all that I have a new upload schedule. So I think I have it for Tuesdays and Fridays. Hold on, let me check. I don't want to lie to y'all. Can't be lying. The year just started and I'm lying already. Okay, yeah, so my new upload schedule is Tuesdays and Fridays. I think I want to say it is Tuesdays and Fridays. My calendar on my phone is not updating, so I can't tell. Which I think I'm right. Yeah, it's not updated on my phone because when I made it on my computer. And so for some reason it didn't transfer to my phone. But I think my upload schedule is Tuesdays and Fridays at like 6, 7, or 8. It's gonna be one of those times I'm always uploading like 6, 7, or 8. Nothing more, nothing less. Simple as that. So I kind of want to be more consistent with like the upload dates, so like my subscribers can know, okay, Dash is posting a video today. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I just want to go ahead and tell y'all like the new things that was going on and what I'm expecting for this new year. I'm really excited to see what it has for me, because like the end of 2019 kind of started off slow, but like the last couple of months of 2019 literally were like really good. So I'm just excited to see what 2020 has for me. I will see y'all in my next video. I will see y'all on Tuesday. So until then,